Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing, but today is a curiosity day. If you remember, I have made a video about the Silvercrest ceramic fan heater, and today I just have the curiosity to see what parts it has this heater inside and how it works. Well, to start seeing all the parts we need to remove 4 screws at the back. Oh, there it is. The plastic housing. We've got another 4 screws are holding this black mess with this carry handle, the light reflector red plastic, the safety plastic. When it's at this position is working. If you remember at my video, I have tested, you can check the video and see all about this fan heater, how it's working. Okay, there's the screws. At the front we have the heating elements, connected one by one, 5 total, with these cables, the temperature sensor, the light indicator, this board, we can see, and the fan connected at the board with this cable, the thermostat here, and you can hear the click, turns on, turns off, and we have the temperature controller, goes at fan, 600 watt, 1200 watt. Connected all the cables. The fan inside here is spinning. The safety lock. Here it is at the base. Power, it comes at the safety lock. When it is on the correct position, it is on, then gives power at the controller here, then at the thermostat. Board is regulating all the process, and all that parts together, combine it, they are making this heater to turn on and have hot air heating your place at the correct temperature. Now you're smarter, you know how it looks a ceramic heater inside. And this is silicone at the 5 heating elements. And now let's plug it in and see how it's heating up all these elements. We have power, we need to be careful. Now it is on maximum, same here, and when I'm pressing the safety switch, it turns on. And I can feel the hot air, definitely. Wow, it's so hot. As I said, you can check my video after the end of this video, right in the corner, and find out all about the ceramic heater. Now, because this is a ceramic heater, I don't see any of these elements at the front. Changing color, you know, the color of the fire, red to yellow. Nope, I like that. And we can see in the fan, and taking my finger, it turns off. Let's unplug for my safety. Doesn't work. Well guys, I think that was all about the parts inside this ceramic heater. I can say are very well manufactured, in a good condition. I don't see any problems. Now you're smarter, I am smarter, everyone are smarter, knows how it works, this ceramic fan heater. Well, let's assemble it again and finish this video. But if I'm going to touch other heating elements at quite warm, obviously, and here at the sensor. And it turns on again. Turns off, turns on. Safety lock is working. That was all, guys. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.